Welcome to Best Productly.
5 Best Plasma Cutters with Built-in Air Compressors 2026. Hey, everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to take your metal cutting game to the next level in 2026, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into the 5 best plasma cutters with built-in air compressors, meaning no extra compressor needed, less setup time, and more cutting power.
Top 1.
Lotus Apex LP 5600 CD Plasma Cutter with built-in air compressor. The Lotus Apex LP 5600 CD Plasma Cutter with built-in air compressor brings a strong cutting solution designed for users who need both power and simplicity. This model stands out among the best plasma cutters available today because it combines essential cutting abilities with an integrated air supply, making setup easier and reducing the need for extra tools. Many individuals look for equipment that delivers reliable performance without complex assembly, and this unit fits that demand by eliminating separate compressor purchases and connections. People working on metal fabrication.
Top 2.
Lotus Apex LP 8585A HF Pilot Arc Plasma Cutter. The Lotus Apex LP 8500 model delivers strong cutting ability with an integrated high-frequency pilot arc system that helps initiate action on rough, dirty surfaces without stopping. This unit supports cutting through many types of metals quickly, drawing attention from hobbyists and professionals looking for a reliable plasma cutter option that handles varied tasks. Many users choose machines that stay steady and start without hesitation, especially when materials show rust or paint. Built around robust engineering, this cutter makes tough jobs feel accessible for guys and gals working in small garages or busy job environments. Operators appreciate tools that stay predictable under load, allowing them to focus attention on shaping workpieces.
Top 3.
FIFANC 55 amp Plasma Cutter Non-Contact Pilot. The FIFANC 55 amp Plasma Cutter Non-Contact Pilot delivers reliable metal cutting that fits many workshop and home tasks. Designed to help people slice through steel, aluminum, and other surfaces quickly, this unit attracts attention from builders and hobby workers seeking a solid plasma cutter option. Users often want tools that start cuts without dragging across rough or coated pieces, and the non-contact pilot system here helps make that happen by letting the torch begin cutting without touching the metal directly. This can save effort during repeated passes and reduce unwanted marks on edges.
Top 4.
Lotus LT3500 35 amp air plasma cutter. The plasma cutter from Lotus, known as LT3500, brings a dependable solution for individuals working with metal shapes in garages, workshops, or job sites. Many builders and craft makers search for tools that promote smoother slicing without adding complexity to everyday tasks. This model draws interest because it helps start cuts without dragging across rough surfaces, letting operators focus on shaping pieces rather than fussing with preparation. People managing sheet stock or odd contours appreciate equipment that keeps motion easy while reducing interruptions during long hours at benches and stands. Hobby workers and professionals alike look toward gear that stays steady across varied assignments, and this selection fits into that mindset by offering balanced operation tuned for quick setup.
Top 5.
BBTO Welding Cart 2-Tier Welder Cart Heavy Duty. The BBTO Welding Cart brings a sturdy solution for organizing machines and accessories in busy garages, home shops, or commercial bays where space matters and movement happens often. Choosing a welder cart that stays stable while shifting loads can make daily tasks easier for fabricators balancing equipment and materials. People who juggle welding stations, plasma cutters, grinders, and power tools want storage that supports efficiency instead of adding steps to their workflow. With robust construction geared toward long service life, this piece attracts.
All of the items are available on Amazon.com. I have included all the link in the description. You can check out the link for latest price. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends and be sure to subscribe.